Hey guys, what is up? This is my small portfolio so far, which I am very happy and grateful for because this is not using my own money. This money is from Robinhood for referring people. Whenever I refer somebody, we both get a free stock in return through Robinhood. So it's a win-win deal for both of us. So use my link in the description for your free stock. If this video gets 25 likes, I will show you guys the best places that gets the most traffic to post your links so that you guys get your free stocks quicker. Oh, this is really my portfolio, in case you guys were wondering. See? This is really mine. Well, thanks for watching. To help my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again. Take care.